Hey guys, welcome to T-Boss Software. Today we are going to learn how to create a new work order. Let's go ahead and get things started. We're going to go ahead and click on New. As you're going to see here, you're going to have an order and an estimate. To get things started off, we're going to click on Order. And just to give you guys a little bit more of an insight, we're going to go ahead and create a new customer. And once again, this is just going to be for test purposes. You can go through and select an existing customer through the Choose Customer option there, as you can see on the previous screen. And I'm just going to go through here and fill out this test information. And as you can see here, everything is optional. So just for purpose of an example, I'm going to go ahead and choose Maryland as the tax option and then no tax ID. So now we have our new customer in. We can select the shipping address, the same as billing. Now let's go over here to work order. As you can see here, I have nothing on the work order. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to add an item. As you can see here, it's got a default item set in, and we have a couple different options here that you can explore. The color, size, quantity, price, markup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and choose a new item, and just to show you something here, I'm going to go down here and just kind of choose a default company item and just fill out the test information again. As you can see here, you can put in the item ID, description, color, size, and then pricing. Now I'm going to go down here and click Save. And as you can see here, it's asking me to complete my previous order because I didn't do anything with the add item that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now I'm going to go up and choose New Item again. Come down and fill this information out again. The reason for doing this, I just want to show you that you can't actually leave an open item and mess the work order up in the order system. So now we have our test item here, and I can go through here and add the color. I'm just going to go ahead and select the defaults here. I'm not going to get into the sizing. I'm going to go ahead and change the quantity over here to 5 just to show you the unit pricing and the markup. And I can make it flat rate. I can add a markup. I can throw 15% in there. Once again, I can make it flat rate, or I can add the actual 15% back to the total. So you have pretty much total control of the pricing for the item and the amount of quantity. So now that we have our item priced out, let's check out the schedule. As you can see here, we have all kinds of different scheduling options. We can add a new appointment in here, the color, we can assign it to a certain department, and we also have the schedule quick view, which shows you, what's going on and what we have upcoming. We can add it to our Google Calendar. Bunch of different options just in this part of the software alone. So now I'm going to go down here and add an additional fee. I'm just going to cut a default fee, one default fee for, let's say, 15 bucks, and go ahead and add this to the total. Click Save. As you can see here, you have a couple different options. You can add different fees and things that go along with your business, and then you can go over here to the total. If you have a customer who's tax exempt or not, then you have different payment options that you can add on file. Obviously, you need to save the work order in order to add those payment options. Then you have the workflow tab, which we go over in another video. So we're going to go back here, and I'm just kind of showing you now where we're going with the different fees and how it applies over to the total screen. And that's basically it. You have now officially set up a new work order, and you can also click over here for an estimate and go through and give the customer an estimate, same as the work order, and convert it right over to a work order. So get in there, explore around,